Hi everyone, it's Teppy Schwartzel, and I am with AridDesertDesigns.com. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I am coming to you to tell you about the September Paper Pumpkin. I just got it today, and I haven't even, well, I opened it up and looked a little bit, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do an unboxing so that everybody can see it. It's really cute stuff. Unfortunately, you're not going to be able to order it. You would have needed to order it by September the 10th. So that date has been missed, but you can still get in on the paper pumpkins for October. Everything has to be ordered by the 10th of the month. You can go in and I will provide the link when I post the video. So, and when you order the paper pumpkin, please use this host code. So let's get to the unboxing. Okay, look at this great box. It's purple. It's got skull and crossbones. It is just adorable. Okay. All right. These are going to be the new paper pumpkins for October and November. Again, payment is due no later than the 10th of the month. So the October box would the last day you can order it is October the 10th, and the November box is due no later than November the 10th. Now, these two are going to coordinate because the October box is going to have 10 cards with envelopes included in it, and then the November box is going to contain 24 tags with 4 different designs. And each kit is all inclusive, and I don't believe that you're going to need anything other than what comes in the kit. So if you want these, please order it. Go to my website and you can order from there. And I will also have a direct link in the video when I post it. Okay, so we get some stamps here. Photopolymer, and one of the words or one of the stamps says trick or can't. Oh, it says trick or treat. Okay, and this one, I guess I've got it on the wrong side. Good. Eat if you dare. Bon appetit. Toxic treats, and then you've got a couple little skeletons here, skull and crossbones, and it also comes with the gorgeous grape Stampin' Spot, wrapped in black tissue paper, of course. And this is where I stopped. I started to open up, and I thought, no, I'm going to share it with my friends. So here we go. All right, I believe there are. Well, let me get the sheet out here. It's going to tell me exactly what's in here. If I can, there it is. It's on the back. Okay. Now, this is what you can make. These are all treat boxes, and they're food safe, so there's no problem there. It comes with, okay, all right, we've got 50 black mini dimensionals. Those are brand new to us this year. 100 adhesive dots, 20 mini black clothespins. These are adorable. Look at these. Look at those. Aren't those cute? And then the, looks like, yeah, the mini black dots are in here. That's so you can't see it, especially when you're working with black. It's nice not to see that white mini dot. Okay, you've got 20, there's going to be 20 black clothespins, 20 food safe treat boxes. That's these. They come in 2 designs. Okay, 1 sheet of laser cut elements, 1 sheet of vellum die cuts, 1 sheet of foil tags. Okay, these are the tags. And you can stamp on these. Or here are some more tags. And look at these little hands. These little skeleton hands and the little skeletons. Spider webs. Oops. These are the vellum punch outs. All you do is punch these out. You don't have to cut anything. And then here are the mini glue dots. Okay, let's see what one of these boxes looks like. Okay, all you have to do is unfold them. They're scored and everything. And I do believe you fold these 2 side pieces in. This piece that's got the cutout, and then all you do is just put that in there and you've got a box. Just fold this down. I believe that you okay, there's a little punch out piece here that you take out. Okay, and then there's a little handle up here. See? All right. Put these 2 together. Okay, there's a score line there. Okay, we're doing this firsthand. Okay, now see the box? The 2 lids come together, and then see the slit on the side? They fit into those little slits on either side. And you are done assembling your box. Isn't that adorable? Easy to put together. Let's take out one of these hands. Let's see how many sheets there are. It looks like there's 2 sheets. And I've seen some people, where are those? There they are. They have taken these, if I can get it open, clothespins, and used it on the top and taken the little skeleton hand, and then they've attached it to the top of the box. Whoops. And I didn't do well on that one. My strength. I'm sure I can fix it. And they just took it and put the little skeleton hand on there. Isn't that adorable? Who wouldn't want to get one of these for Halloween? Okay, that's what's in here. If you're interested in ordering it, as I said, I will have a link down at the bottom for you to purchase the Stampin' Up! Kit, and then possibly, if you want, get one of these every single month, and it'll come into your mailbox. And again, look at how cute that is for Halloween. They change the boxes just about every month to go along with whatever theme they've got. There's instructions in here on how to do these, how to put the boxes together, and they even give you ideas on how to do this. So if you're interested, I would love to have you as a customer, and please use the host code. All the directions will be in the description below the video, and I look forward to becoming your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to get to know you and help you out with your new projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.